Here are the 4 things you need and the steps to take to check if you are a winner of the American Visa Lottery Program DV-2025. The results will be announced on Saturday, May 4th, 2024. So you're going to be doing an entrance status check. The results will be available on the US Department of State's website from 12 noon EST or at 4 p.m. GMT. So you'll go to this website, the only website to use, dvprogram.state.gov. Scroll to the bottom of the page and then click on check status. So number 1, you will enter your confirmation number. The number is a 16 alphanumeric character long number, and this was issued to you at the end of your Visa Lottery registration process. Okay, so the first 4 characters would represent your program year. It will start with 2025, and then you put in that 16 character number that was issued to you. If you've forgotten your confirmation number, our next post will show you how to get this number back. The next information that you will need would be your last name. That's your family name. You provide the last name that you used on the electronic diversity visa entry form, including punctuation. Please make sure that this last name matches the last name that you used for the registration process. The third piece of information you will need to enter would be your year of birth. So enter the 4-digit year of birth of the primary entrant. Okay, then you will authenticate in the website to show that you are a human and you are not a robot. So in the authentication field, you will enter the characters displayed. If you're having trouble reading the characters, then you can click on speaker to hear an audio clip of the characters. Then you enter the characters, or you can click refresh to display a new code, and then you enter the authentication code in the field. Then you click on submit. Then step 5, you find out if you won. Now, if you click submit, you get the results. If you are not selected, it will show a message that says that your entry has not been selected. If you are selected, however, and you're a winner, you'll see the letter displayed, this particular letter displayed, and it will tell you that you have been selected. It means you're a lucky winner. So DV 2025 entrants should keep their confirmation number until at least September 30th, 2025. I wish you all the best.